when you're placing the halo on your head for the first time, there's just a couple of little things that you want to keep in mind. So when you place the wire on your part, you want to do that about an inch or so, give or take, away from your hairline. Yep, perfect. Yep, so it's about, that inch. And it's different for everybody, but an inch is usually good. Keep the sides really still, and then you push the back down.
Yeah.
How does that feel?
Yeah, that feels really like it won't move.
And at this point in time, you're going to know if it's too small or too big, and that's when you change the wires over.
Okay. That feels
How
good.
does that feel? Can you shake your head?
Yeah, like...
Super secure, yeah.
Can you go upside down?
Yeah, it doesn't
It ain't
move.
going anywhere.
I'm wearing the finer halo,
You would not even know.
which is used for just a little bit of volume and some length.
Yeah.
So as you can see, this is me naturally, and this one's cut. Yeah, it just adds some nice volume, tiny bit of length, depending. If you've got really fine hair, you can get a little bit more length out of it.
Yeah.
I hold the sides really still, because if I don't, then the whole wire could literally slide back, and then that's when it's not going to feel comfortable. So if you hold the sides really still and then push the back down, it'll sit nice and snug underneath that occipital bone, which is that bone that sort of sticks out the back of your head.
Okay.
If you don't have a prominent occipital bone, that's fine. It still works really well. It might not feel as secure as someone who has a really prominent occipital bone, but it's just about getting those positions right, because when it's sitting on that angle, it just feels secure and sits on the head really well.